If you've ever needed to export your backlog, issues, or tickets from Jira into Excel, whether for reporting, sharing with your team, or just organizing your work in a way that makes sense to you, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a super straightforward process for exporting your Jira issues directly into an Excel file. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get all the data you need in the format that works best for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, head to your Jira dashboard and look for the search bar. This is usually right at the top, easy to spot, and it's your gateway to finding exactly the tickets or issues you want to export. Go ahead and click on Search to get started. Now, this is where things can get a bit more personalized. Jira's search is really powerful, so take a moment to apply any filters you need. Maybe you only want tickets assigned to a certain team member, issues marked as high priority, or items within a specific project or sprint. Setting up these filters is crucial because the filters determine exactly what gets exported. So if you only want your current sprint's backlog, set the date range or type in your custom queries to hone in on those tickets. Think of it like sifting through a big pile of mail to find just the letters you care about. The better your filter, the easier your export will be to work with later. Once you have your filtered list of issues showing up, don't rush. Double-check that everything you want is included. Maybe scroll through a bit or run a quick eye over the list to make sure nothing's missing or extra. This small step saves a ton of hassle later on. And trust me, it's way easier to tweak your filters now than to edit a giant Excel sheet after exporting. Now, look up towards the top right of your Jira page. You'll see an Export button. It might just be a little icon, or it might say Export, depending on your Jira version or plugin, but it's always there when you're viewing a list. Give that a click, and you'll see a drop-down menu of export options. Here's where you can choose the file type for your export. If you're planning to open the file in Excel, pick either Excel CSV or Excel XLSX, depending on what your version of Excel prefers. Sometimes there'll be other options like HTML or PDF, but for working in spreadsheets, the Excel types are your best bet. Once you click on your preferred file format, Jira will work its magic and start exporting. This might take a few moments, especially if you've got a big backlog or hundreds of tickets. Don't worry if your browser sits and spins for a second. Just give it time. Soon you'll see your download pop up, and the file will be ready to open in Excel, and that's really it. Your issues and tickets are now in a spreadsheet, ready to be sorted, graphed, analyzed, or shared, whatever you need. This export process helps keep your team up to date, simplifies reporting for stakeholders, and lets you keep a backup of your work outside Jira. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a like, and if you hit any snags or you're looking for tips on bulk exports, formatting, or integrating Jira data with other tools, drop your questions down in the comments. I'd love to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on Jira tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next export.